In today's video, I'll show you on how you can enable the rapid trigger on Razer Huntsman Mini. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure that all of your devices or the keyboard itself is updated on the Razer application. Now you want to get the Razer Synapse from the official Razer website, and then after opening up the application, it will automatically detect the Razer Huntsman Mini. And then you want to navigate through the device right here, and then you want to click on the update button if there's an available one. Right after updating the application, you then want to simply navigate back to your keyboard right here, and the only button that we're looking for is going to be the function key. This is going to be the F and right beside your Alt key, and then you want to press the caps button. You then want to press them simultaneously, and this will enter the adjustment mode. Now once inside, you then want to press the caps lock once more, and then it will enable or disable the rapid trigger on your Huntsman Mini. Now to adjust the sensitivity for the rapid trigger, you can then use the numbers right here to adjust your sensitivity, or you can also use your arrow keys in order to adjust its sensitivity. Now to exit out of the adjustment mode, you then want to press the FN button once more and caps lock simultaneously, and from there you will be able to save your preset. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.